What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Financier Pro. Thank you for being here. Today, I want to talk about how to make money with NFTs. Cryptocurrency blockchain is major right now, especially on the blockchain technology. I pay attention to all cryptocurrency. I research it every day, though, especially the ones on blockchain technology like Cardano ADA. You have Ethereum, Polkadot. I believe there's a couple other more that I don't really read up on every day as far as non-major in my eye. So everyone has their own particular one that they like, but I love the one that Cardano 88 is working on or has established already. They're working on smart contracts, uh, NFTs, other DeFi, things like that. So today, I want to make this video about non-fungible tokens, NFTs, how to make money with NFTs. The number one thing they're doing right now is digital art. Digital art is major with NFTs right now as far as the blockchain technology. They had one that sold for 69 million, $69 million NFT, digital art. Come on, man. This is crazy. Imagine when these companies start selling ebooks, digital movies, streaming movies for with cryptocurrency. It's going to be major. Now the big banks are jumping on board as far as the blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. It's crazy. It's just crazy to me. I also have music on a blockchain technology website and app called Acius. I believe it's called Acius. No, Audius. I'm sorry, Audius Music. Audius. If you guys want to check that out, Creole's Music. The links are connected to this website. Lofi, chill, hop, jazz, hop music. Thank you if you all have already checked it out. Thank you for doing that already. Number two is licensed collectibles. Tokenized collectibles seem like the most natural and obvious application of the NFT technology. The brands which are already selling physical collectibles such as trading cards cannot digitize them since NFTs have provable rarity. And you guys excuse me, I had the Invisalign in my mouth, so I'm sorry if I'm speaking kind of crazy right now. So baseball, hockey cards, all of those can be digitized and sold on NFT network, the blockchain technology. Get money out here. NFT video games could very well be the future of NFT technology. Video games like PlayStation and Xbox and all these Nintendo games can digitize all of this with the technology. Get money, buy your cryptocurrency, man. This is not a financial advice. This is just my opinion. Do your research on blockchain technology. We missed the first wave. I did when it came to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not backed by blockchain, but Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency, so it's major, and everybody is accepting it as far as globally. It's going to be even bigger, I believe. It's like almost $100,000 right now. I believe Bitcoin could hit $200,000 one day because more people are opening up to it, accepting Bitcoin as a payment. Let's see. I don't really see. I like going into the details of different articles that talk about the topics that I record on. I know Gary V is jumping into the NFT. I believe Karen, what's her name? Karen or some, I forgot her name, but the one that was on Tiger King, she just created her own token or cryptocurrency that deals with cats or whatever. Mark Cuban is betting big on NFTs right now, and for the people that really wants more details, in short, the best way to make money off NFTs will vary by person. Okay, so imagine if you are an independent artist and you start selling your work, your digital art, as an NFT. You need to jump in this game right now because it's just taking off. This is like when I look at blockchain technology, NFTs, DeFi, things like that. I'm looking at the birth of the internet. And when I look at people like Charles Hopkins, I'm sorry if I mispronounced his last name. I'm thinking of one of my idols, Steve Jobs, when they came out and introduced the iPhone or they came out and introduced the MacBook. We are in. I know that people think that they missed the train when Bitcoin and Ethereum first came out, but we are still in infancy right now. The entire world haven't even jumped on board yet. Think about the global market, and if you guys have any more information, please comment below. Please let me know what do you think about NFTs, but in blockchain technology. This is crazy. I'm just amazed how this technology has come along and revolutionarized uh, crypto in a second wave of digital currency. You know what I mean? Like, come on. This is crazy. Amazing at the same time. So, those are three major things right now that's going on with NFTs as far as digital and making money. I don't want to jump too much into other things because I want to keep it NFT right now. NFT is a non-fungible token, okay? Non-fungible token. And right now, those are the three major things that people are doing as far as making money on the blockchain technology with an NFT. So I see that an NBA union executive leads talks to help players make more money from NFTs. So it's going to be more things coming along within the next couple months and years uh, that involves NFTs and making money with them as well. So this is new, guys, and if you have any more information, please comment below. I'll see you guys next time on Financial Pro. Thank you for being here.